Let's talk about the handy dandy save points in Bubble because they've saved my butt countless times and hopefully you're using them so they're saving your butt too. So within Bubble, in the editor, you can go up to the main branch up here, search in the history, and then see a list of all your save points. Now, the way that I do save points is I create save points before I create any new functionality or before I switch any new functionality. So if you look into the history, you already see that I have some save points here for before switching menu to RG. So essentially, before I started switching the menu to a repeating group, I created the save point just in case I got 5 minutes into the build and I didn't like it, I could easily revert back. It's as simple as that. Save points are there to help you work more efficiently. And by placing little save points before you start your builds or before you start any kind of changes, will allow you to quickly revert back if you get a couple minutes, 10 minutes into a build and you realize, oh, this is not working the way I wanted it. Let's go back and start at ground zero. Save points are perfect for that. So don't forget to be using save points in your application as they'll help you work more efficiently. So if you enjoyed this Bubble tip, please follow me for more.